All right, why is everyone buying this super high quality treadmill from MERACH? So it's flying off the shelves on Amazon. It's selling over 1,000 units every single month, and it's being rated very highly. So you know it's got the social proof that I need to know to feel confident that like this is an amazing treadmill. I'm at the top speed right now, 7.5 miles per hour. A lot of these treadmills on Amazon, they're very flimsy and they hardly go up to any sort of speed. Most of them are walking pads. They only go up to like 3 or 4 miles per hour. If you're lucky, you'll find one at like 6. Nowhere near the quality of this one. This one goes up to 7.5. I'm gonna slow it down right now. You got quick speeds as well. So it's slowing down its own all the way to 3, but if I wanna go to 1, slow it down to 1, speed it up. You can also adjust the speed on the side right here. Or let's see, I may have just stopped it, but yeah. Got speed adjustment over here. You can start and stop it. You got different modes, different programs. Before I show you everything, it also comes with this app. All right, so we're gonna come in here with the app, and the treadmill is not going. I'm just gonna hit start. It's gonna start up. There we go. So it's starting up, and now it'll start moving the treadmill. And once it finishes with this intro scene, the intro scene, it just goes for a little bit. It'll start telling you what the workout is, and it'll tell you to adjust the speed and whatnot for the class. But there's also instructors that will guide you through workouts and whatnot. You can also track your heart rate right here. I love the LED screen as well. But one last thing, actually two last things. So it's at the full incline right now, but say I want it to be flat. We're just gonna pull the pin out right here, and we're gonna adjust it to there on both sides. So you got that side, then we'll come over here, do it here. Now it's flat, pretty sweet. And the last point that's amazing, got this hydraulic system. It locks into place. Great for storage. High quality treadmill, but it's very compact for storage. That's insane. I think this thing's amazing. I see why everyone's buying it, and I think you should buy it too.